Hello, children. How are you? I hope you all are well and enjoying our online sessions. So, children, today I am going to explain you the topic hardly when. The topic hardly when is related with as soon as and no sooner than. Mostly, we are told to use hardly when in the sentence of either as soon as or no sooner. So, first of all, I'll explain you how to use hardly when either in the sentence of as soon as or no sooner. So, while using hardly when in the sentence of as soon as, first of all we have to replace the words as soon as with the words hardly. After using hardly, we have to use the helping verb had. And remember that after hardly only one helping verb we can use, and that is had. Whether it is present in the sentence or not, it doesn't matter. If it is present, then also we have to use. If it is not there, then also we have to use. In any case, we have to use the helping verb had. So first of all, we should see whether had is present in the sentence or not. If it is present, then we have to use had. But if it is not there, then also we have to use. In the sentence of hardly when, the main verb always comes in the third form. So whenever we are using the main verb after using the word hardly, then we have to use it in the third form. And in the sentence of hardly when, conjunction we have to use when. If we are using hardly when in the sentence of no sooner, then no sooner we have to replace with the word hardly. Here also, after using the word hardly, we have to use the helping verb had, and main verb we have to use in the third form. Here, by replacing the conjunction than, we have to use the connective when, and in the sentence of as soon as, we have to replace comma with the conjunction when. Now I'll explain you some sentences, so please pay attention here. First sentence: as soon as she saw a tiger, she ran away. And in this sentence, we are using hardly when. So, here, first of all, we have to replace these three words as soon as with the word hardly. In the sentence of as soon as, after as soon as, you will find the subject. But in the sentence of hardly when, after using the word hardly, we have to use the helping verb had, whether it is present in the sentence or not. After using the helping verb had, we have to use the subject. Hardly had she. And remember that in the sentence of hardly when, the main verb always comes in the third form. So the third form of the verb saw is seen. Hardly had she seen a tiger. And here, comma, we have to replace with the conjunction when. After using when, there will not be any change in the sentence. Remaining part of the sentence we have to write as it is. When she ran away. Now I'll explain you how to use hardly when in the sentence of no sooner. No sooner did she make a plan than she told me. So here in the sentence no sooner is there and we are going to use hardly when. So first of all, we have to replace the words no sooner with the word hardly. Here helping verb is there did, but we cannot use did. So we have to cancel did and use had. Hardly had she. And as I said that in the sentence of hardly when, the main verb always comes in the third form. So we have to write the third form of the verb make. What is it? Yeah, it is made a plan. And here conjunction than we have to replace with when. After using when also, we don't have to make any changes in the sentence. Remaining part of the sentence we have to use as it is. When she told me. Sometimes what happens, two independent sentences are given in which as soon as is also not there and no sooner is also not there. So I'll explain you how to use hardly when in the sentence in which two independent sentences are given. So let us see here. The sun had risen, birds began chirping. So here two independent sentences are given. Answer we have to start with hardly. After using the word hardly, here also we have to use the helping verb had. Hardly had the sun. In the sentence of hardly when, the main verb comes in the third form. Here we find that already third form is there, so we don't have to make any change. Hardly had the sun risen. Now full stop we have to replace with the conjunction when. Now see that after using when, we cannot write birds be capital, we have to write it small. When birds began chirping. So I hope that you all have understood this topic. Today I'll conduct the exercise on hardly when in the evening session. Till then, it's goodbye.